I'm proper from Golai, which is a village included in Melghat, which comes under Melghat Tiger Reserve. So it has so many specialty. Like this area is specially known for Tiger Reserve area, and it has so many beautiful waterfalls and beautiful rivers and a beautiful forest also included in this area. So there are wild animals, and it is a beautiful place for traveling and exploring as a true nature lover. So hello, my name is Ankita Katkhade. I am from Dharni, and I have various hobbies like I love drawing, skating, and also sports. Just cried in my happiness that I got 96.80%, and also I top in my city. So it's a very grateful day for me. So first of all, when I purchased EduTech educational platform in my 9th standard, I explore it, how it is, how's the app. So then I find so it is a very great app, study app for me. So I study daily in this app. So there are live lectures of very great teachers, and also there are each and every questions solution videos, which help me a lot in my 9th and 10th standard, especially for my boards preparation. Also include quizzes, which is very interesting, and it is means like when we play quizzes, our memory also gets sharp and we are very eager to answer the questions. And also these quizzes include prize, which is a very great and interesting things for all of us students. Very happy because I have scored very good marks in my 10th standard, and I am especially thankful to my school and school teachers who have taught me very good and guide me in my 10th standard. I am especially thankful for my teachers, my class teachers Rathod sir and Khan sir, who have guided me in my 10th and also support me. And also a very thankful to my EduTech teachers who have guided me, and also for self-study at my home. So they are Huzefa sir, Nimisha ma'am, Jasbinder ma'am, Ranjit sir, Manoj sir, Ramesh sir, Pankaj sir, and so more. So thank you teachers for guide me in my 10th standard. Thank you so much.
खूप आनंद झाला की माझी मुलगी तालुक्यातून प्रथम आली, आणि धारणी सारख्या एकदम दुर्गम भागामध्ये माझी मुलगी शिकत होती, आणि त्यामुळं ती प्रथम आल्यामुळं आम्हाला खूप आमच्या कुटुंबामध्ये आनंद झाला. आमच्या कुटुंबाचं नाव तिनं रोशन केलं. आमची एक तिच्यामुळे यात शहरामध्ये या आमच्या धारणी तालुक्यामध्ये आमचं नाव लोकांना माहिती झालं की बाबा कातकडी परिवारातली मुलगी धारणी तालुक्यातून प्रथम आली. आम्ही या धारणीसारख्या ठिकाणी तिला EduTechच्या माध्यमातून आम्ही जे शिक्षणासाठी सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिली, त्याचा तिने फार चांगल्या प्रकारे लाभ घेतला.
नशिबान आहे, मला 2 मुली आहेत. गर्व करते मी माझ्या मुलींवर. सुरुवातीला कोरोनाच्या काळामध्ये पण माझ्या मोठीला 99% मिळाले होते, आणि तालुक्यातून ती पण टॉपरच होती, आणि आता दुसऱ्यांदा तोच आनंद मला परत मिळाला. खूप आनंद होतो. असं वाटतं की परमेश्वराची काही विशेष कृपा आहे माझ्यावर.